I know. We do this every week, right?
Yeah, we do this every week. We service in the Inglewood community.
No, South LA.
South LA community.
So what we're doing today is we are sorting and making bags with fresh fruits and vegetables and some items, canned goods, some meat, some dairy products that we get on a weekly basis.
We're excited because that's why we really appreciate your staff being here when they're not here, and they're great. They have all this wonderful stuff. And milk is such a, I don't drink it personally.
The kids